Children, here I am going to present the Little Prince summary. So, when the narrator was 6 years old, he read in a book that boa constrictors are the large snakes, children, who swallow their food as a whole. This bit of information tickled the narrator's fancy. He became very excited and he drew the first of his drawings. When he showed his drawing to adults, they thought it was a hat. This really disappointed the narrator. You see, what the narrator had drawn was a boa constrictor that had swallowed an elephant. To clarify matters for them, the narrator drew the second drawing, the inside of the boa constrictor that had swallowed an elephant. But the adults advised the narrator to give up drawing altogether. The narrator goes on to grow up and became a pilot. Whenever he met another adult he thought he might connect with, he showed him or her his old drawing. Sadly, everyone he met thought it's a hat. No one passed his friendship test. So the narrator had been lonely all his life. But 6 years before, he had a plane accident in the Sahara Desert that changed all this. At the time, the narrator's plane had a faulty engine and he was forced to land in the desert, miles away from human habitation. There he met a small person who asked the narrator to draw him a sheep. The narrator is shocked and didn't know how to react to this strange situation. He ended up drawing his old drawing of the boa constrictor from the outside. And the strange little fellow said he wanted a drawing of a sheep, not of a boa constrictor swallowing an elephant. The narrator then drew 3 sheep, all of which the little guy rejected. Too thin, too old, and so on. So the narrator finally drew him a box and told the boy that the sheep is inside it. Surprisingly, the kid thought this was perfect. When that little boy, whom the narrator began to call the Little Prince, learnt that the narrator dropped down from the sky in his aeroplane, he revealed that he too came from the sky. The narrator deduced means arrived to the conclusion that the boy was from another planet. When the narrator offered to draw him a string he could use to tie the sheep, the little prince said that the place he came from was very small. The sheep couldn't get lost there. So we learned that the little prince's planet is no bigger than a house. The narrator believed it was in fact an asteroid named B612. Thank you.